Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to download one of your own videos when you get an error message. I was trying to download one of my own videos, and the normal way is you go to manage videos and then you click either on edit or the three little dots and then you click download, right? The download. And sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. For example, I was trying to download a short. I don't know, maybe it's a short problem, but I was trying to download my shorts, and let me show you. You're gonna get one of two problems. You hit download and it'll just refresh and nothing happens. That's what just started happening. But before this, when I was hitting download, what would happen is I would get these errors. See, it says check internet connection, my internet is fine, or it says site wasn't available, and site wasn't available. Like, I was just not able to download my own video. And I accidentally put it on the wrong channel because I have two channels, like my personal one, which is this one, and one where I talk just about AI stuff. And that video should have been in the AI channel. But anyway, if you have that problem, go to github.com yt-dlp /yt-dlp/releases. I'm going to put all these links in the description, so don't worry, you can copy and paste. And then go to yt-dlp.exe, download that. Once it's downloaded, open your terminal. So I just typed terminal on my command prompt and opened it. And go to where that downloaded. My stuff downloads to my folder called downloads, so I go to downloads. Once you're in downloads, you have to run it. So run this. I'm gonna put this in the description. It's yt-dlp and then the link to your video. See how it says youtube.com, watch your video ID here. Where do you get your video ID? From your YouTube. Like, open your video, whatever video it is, and here's the ID, if you can see that, like, ID number. Now if it's a short, my video was a short, and just putting the ID did not work. So if your video is a short, you need this command. Let me show you right here in my command. You just press enter and that should download your video. But if your video is a short, then type this command, youtube.com /short, and then that's my video ID. But you can put, I'm going to put your video ID here. So, and then you hit enter and it should download it into your downloads folder. Or if you lose it, you don't know where it downloaded, use this command to specify where to download it. Let me show you. So you put this command and then press enter with your video ID right there, and that should download it straight on your downloads folder. As you can see, mine is right here. This is the video I downloaded. So that's all you need to do, and that's how you get your video.